Hey everyone, welcome to Humva AI. This tool lets us create avatar videos in minutes without needing a photo or camera, got it? And that's literally it, you know? Here are examples of avatars they've generated, supposedly just from a photo, which is pretty cool. In this case, I'm not sure how they did it because look at the nails. Oh, see, the nail color is white because they're actually white, that's true. They don't explain much, we just click generate here, okay? Then we can start using the tool. Let's check out the pricing. For $19 a month, we get an hour of video, which is quite a lot. They let us remove watermarks, 60 minutes of video, 5 custom accounts, 1 per avatar or scene, got it. For $89 a month, we get unlimited points, and well, it's $89, right? Unlimited and 5 hours in fast mode, got it. Let's click Start Free Trial and continue with Google. We're in the platform now. Let's pick any avatar, theoretically, and then, oh look, I can choose this one or that one, see? It says I'm your avatar and lets you preview 300 words. You can input text or upload your own audio here. You can adjust speed and change voices where it says Isla. We get 36 points, the estimated cost of... Check out the preview. There's the preview, looks pretty good. Look, it's clear it's AI and the quality isn't great, but considering it's all from one image, this one here, the girl does change quite a bit, right? I mean, the girl changes drastically. You're gonna look pretty tanned, but, well, this is the quality we're given. Let's also take a look. Well, we can create our own avatars, of course, okay? Create our own avatar and all that. Let's check Humva AI reviews. They have a 3.2 here, just one review, and a 4.4 from 45 reviews. So it must be a pretty good tool. They mention here it only costs $19. I started using it in the free beta. Now it's paid but has more features and such. Yeah, well, overall, it's a good tool. You can also make referrals, so there you have it.